Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Let's refine your layout using align and distribute like a pro. Begin by selecting all shapes you want to arrange. Open the align panel from the top toolbar. Hit alignment center to stack everything vertically into a clean axis. Watch how shapes jump into a perfect line. Now click align middle to the center them horizontally as well. You have now created a perfect center line composition. Move into the distribute section. Use distribute left edges to equalize horizontal spacing, or choose distribute right edge for spacing base on the opposite side. Every gap becomes accurate and uniform. This is essential for